Hey everyone, how's it going? So I am at Tes Studio and we just got a major install on this Tesla Model Y, and this is the Model X Inspire automatic door open and close, or they call it auto presenting doors. So not your auto presenting door handles, but your auto presenting doors. So we do have auto presenting door handles as well, so it automatically present the door handles upon arrival or when you get near the vehicle. And now it auto present the door, and this is a version 2.0, so it has a sensor detecting vehicle next to it, so it won't hit those vehicle or object. And I'll show you where those sensors are in a brief moment. But just to show you the functionality of how this auto presenting door works, is that basically there's a motor that replace the hinge down here. So that is the new hinge with the motor inside the door that automatically open and closes the door. So how you close this door automatically is you press this button. So this is your unlock door open switch. Step on the brake or press the button that comes with the kit. So in this case, we'll press this button and it auto closes. It also soft closes. So the kit comes with a soft closing mechanism. And again, auto open detects the vehicle next to it. And if you get inside the vehicle, there's a switch here, which we haven't decided where to adhere it to, but likely we'll probably put it next to the center console. But you push this button, you can control it to automatically close, or you can step on the brake pedal here and it will automatically close as well, just like the Model X Inspire. So to open the door, just go ahead and press that button, auto open. You can also use this switch to automatically close it by holding it down. All right, so to open, again, press this button. And let me go ahead and show you the sensor now. So there's two sensors. So one underneath the rear mirror. So this is the extra cover on top of the sensor. You can see the sensor right there. It's infrared. And let's go ahead and take a look at the second sensor. It's actually located behind the C-pillar. So back here, right there. It's behind the window, so it's not visible. As you can see there. So that detects any object, such as a vehicle or a wall, for example. And even if it does hit something, it will stop automatically. And to close this door, you can, again, press that button or manually close it, just like that. And it will soft close, just like the Model X. So if you're interested in having this installed, come visit Tes Studio. Or if you want to do it yourself, you can as well. It requires removing the door panel, just like if you were to install the automatic presenting door handles or soft closing. And then you just run the wires along to the computer, and that is it. Very simple install, comparable to the auto presenting door handles or soft closing. But if you're not comfortable, go ahead and contact Tes Studio and they'll be happy to help you install this. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.